Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the standard deviations of discrete series and continuous series in shortcut method. The step required to calculate the shortcut method are take any value from the size x as assume means a, take deviations of observation from a denoted by as dx, multiply dx with the corresponding frequency to get fdx, that is f into dx, and sum of these to get summation fdx. Then calculate the fds square, the value of multiply fdx, the value of dx, that is fdx square is equal to fdx into dx, as sum of to get summation fdx square. Apply the formula standard deviation under root summation fds square upon n minus summation fdx upon n whole square 2. We take the same example which done before, that x is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, and their frequency is 3, 2, 4, 1. In the x we assume the 20 as a assumed value a, and then frequency we add summation f is equal to n is equal to 10. Then we have to find out dx. The formula is x minus a is equal to 20 means 10 minus 20 minus 10, 20 minus 20 0, 30 minus 20 plus 10, 40 minus 20 plus 20. Then we find fdx means frequency multiply dx, 3 into minus 10 minus 30, 2 into 0 0, 4 into plus 10 40, 1 into 20 is equal to 20. Then we add up summation dx, that is 30. Then again we find the fds square, that is fdx multiplies dx means minus 10 into minus 30 is equal to 300, 0 into 0 0, plus 10 into plus 40, that is 400, 20 into 20 400. Then we sum up fds square, that is 1100. Now we apply the formula and we put the value, that is standard deviation under root summation fds square upon n minus summation fdx upon n whole square. 1100 divided by 10 minus 30 upon 10 whole square, that is 110 minus 9 101. The under root is 10.05. Now we see in the continuous series, we take the same example. We first calculate the mid value of the class interval, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. We calculate the mid value means 0 plus 10 divided by 2 5, 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15, 10 20 plus 30 50 divided by 2 25, 30 plus 40 means 70 divided by 2 35, 40 plus 50, that is 90 divided by 2 45, and their frequency 1 2 3 3 1, and we sum up summation f is equal to n is equal to 10. We assume the value 25. Then we find out the dx means x minus a, x over 5 minus 25 minus 20, 15 minus 25 minus 10, 25 minus 25 0, 35 minus 25 10, 45 minus 25 20. Then we calculate the fdx, we multiply with the frequency dx into f means minus 20 is 1 minus 20 minus 10 into 2 minus 20, 3 into 0 20, 3 into 10 30, 1 is equal to 20 20. Then we add up fds is 10. Then we calculate the fds square, that is we multiply dx into fdx, 20 into 20 400, 10 into 20 200, 0 into 0, 10 into 30 300, 20 into 20 400. When we add up summation fds square 1300. Then we apply the formula standard deviation summation fds square upon n minus summation ds n whole square. We calculate, we get the standard deviation 11.36. Thank you.